Okay guys, so before my hubby brings the food in, our groceries, we wipe everything down. But I wanted to share what I've been doing. Old t-shirts we don't use. We have a bag of them. I cut them up into like nice sizes like this. It didn't even matter what shape. I cut it completely up. I use the whole t-shirt. I'm using an empty disinfectant jar like this, and I'm going to make some disinfectant wipes with the old school stuff. I have some imitation Dawn and I have some lemon fresh bleach, and I'm going to show you how to quickly make disinfectant wipes with what you have in your house. Old school, we know bleach kills a lot of things. We know Dawn and whatever's in it kills a lot of germs as well. So we're going to make that really quick, and I wanted to get this out there to y'all. So this is like a DIY, no-buy disinfected wipe that you can make on your own. So let's go over to the sink and let me show you how I do it. All right, so we want to start off by putting water. It really doesn't matter because you're going to have bleach in your container. So you're going to put the water in, and we're going to fill that up, and I'll be right back. Now, you don't want it full. I didn't mean to say fill, but like halfway. See how that's halfway? And then I'm going to drop just a few drops of this in there. I would say if you had to measure, it'd be about a good 2 teaspoons or so. Oh, the thing is closed, that's why. About a good 2 teaspoons. Okay. And then we're going to put some bleach, and that's going to be about, I'll say about 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to take these, and you don't want it full because you want these to be able to get submerged in the liquid, so you don't have to worry about it being oversaturated. So I'm going to shake this up and show you what they look like. You got to be careful, especially if you have stuff that can be dyed or anything, because you know bleach will turn things a certain color. And so this is what I've been doing. And now I have a disinfectant wipe, and I'll take these and I'll put them in a little basket. Now, because I have t-shirts that I use, I'll just take them, put them in a little basket, and then I'll rewash these. So that is a way to create your own disinfectant wipes yourself with things that you have on hand in your home. So I hope this is helpful. You know, bleach always kills stuff. And the reason why I'm doing this is because, let me show you. This is how we do it. We leave it here. And then this is already disinfected. So before I remove this stuff, I remove it with gloves and I wipe it down, and then it goes up here. Okay, so that's how we're going to work this out. And that is a disinfectant video, and I will be showing how I wipe this stuff down as well. All right, guys.